This is section 3.8, number 41. So to do this problem, you have to recognize what a fourth root is and how to rewrite that. So you need to rewrite this as 2x over 4x minus 3, and a fourth root is a 1/4 power. And so this is actually just simply a chain rule. You have to recognize you have box raised to the 1/4 power. So to find dy dx, the question is, what is the derivative of box to the 1/4? Or in other words, like x to the 1/4. The rule is you bring the 1/4 in front and you subtract 1 from that power. So if we bring the 1/4 up front, we get 1/4 box. If you subtract 1 from that, you're going to get negative 3/4. And then you have to multiply by the derivative of box. And that's going to be slightly ugly because we have a quotient rule. So we have to do low d high minus high d low over low squared. So we take low, which is 4x minus 3, d high, which is 2, minus high, which is 2x, and d low, which will give us 4. And that's all over low squared. All right, the rest is just algebra. Time to algebra. So I'm going to put a big fraction bar. The 4, that's on the bottom. Now notice the negative exponent. To make it positive, you got to move it to the bottom. So that's going to become 2x over 4x minus 3 to the positive 3/4 power. And this guy, that's on the bottom. So I'm going to leave it on the bottom. And then we have all of this left on top. So let me copy that down. So we need to simplify the top. So I'm going to end up distributing the 2. And it'll get us this. 8x minus 6 minus 8x. Ooh, I like that. That's nice. And the bottom is all there still. So I'm going to try to copy and paste that so I don't have to rewrite all that. Copy, can I paste it? Bam! Well, it took the fraction bar with it, so I'll take it. Get rid of that one. All right, so cancel the 8x's out. And the 6 and the 2, or the 4, 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes in that twice. And that, okay, we can rewrite this if we wanted to, but I don't feel like it. So I can make this back to a fourth root. And that whole thing's being cubed. And we still have a 4x minus 3 squared. Now there are other ways to rewrite this. We can move that thing to the top. We can do other weird things, flip things, but I think we'll leave it at that. And that might not match the answer in the back, but I'm pretty sure that that is a correct answer.